How to resolve blotchy skin skincare. Blotchy skin can be caused by various factors, including skin inflammation, uneven pigmentation, dryness, or skin conditions like rosacea or eczema. Here are some tips to help resolve blotchy skin and improve its appearance. Protect your skin from the sun. Sun exposure can worsen blotchiness and lead to uneven pigmentation. Use a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher and apply it generously to all exposed areas of your skin, even on cloudy days. Establish a gentle skincare routine. Cleanse your face twice a day with a mild, non-irritating cleanser to remove dirt, oil, and makeup. Avoid harsh cleansers that can strip away natural oils and irritate your skin. Pat your face dry gently with a soft towel after washing. Moisturize regularly. Use a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. Look for products containing ingredients like hyaluronic acid or ceramides, which help retain moisture and strengthen the skin barrier. These can help reduce redness and inflammation. Consider topical treatments. If your blotchy skin is caused by specific skin conditions like rosacea or eczema, consult a dermatologist for appropriate topical treatments. Prescription creams or ointments may help alleviate symptoms and improve your skin's appearance. Exfoliate gently. Regular exfoliation can help remove dead skin cells and promote a more even skin tone. However, be gentle and avoid harsh scrubs that can further irritate your skin. Opt for chemical exfoliants containing AHAs, alpha-hydroxy acids, or BAs, beta-hydroxy acids, that are suitable for your skin type. Maintain a healthy lifestyle. Good overall health can positively impact your skin. Drink plenty of water to stay hydrated, eat a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables, get enough sleep, and manage stress levels. These factors can contribute to healthier looking skin. Avoid triggers. Identify and avoid triggers that exacerbate your blotchy skin. This could include certain skincare products, environmental factors, such as extreme temperatures or pollution, spicy foods, alcohol, or hot showers. Seek professional advice. If your blotchy skin persists or worsens despite your efforts, consider consulting a dermatologist. They can evaluate your skin condition, provide personalized recommendations, and suggest suitable treatments or procedures, such as laser therapy or chemical peels. Remember, everyone's skin is unique, so it's essential to find a skincare routine that works for you. Be patient and consistent with your efforts, as it may take time to see significant improvements.